The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States government. We have received many reports of pileups happening in the following cities: Baltimore, Maryland; Portland, Maine; Cleveland, Ohio; Los Angeles, California; Albuquerque, New Mexico; Phoenix, Arizona; Seattle, Washington; Bismarck, North Dakota; Milwaukee, Wisconsin; Richmond, Virginia; New Orleans, Louisiana; Plano, Texas; Houston, Texas; and Pensacola, Florida. The cars are being hacked to cause these pileups by an unknown force or intruder.
Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Chuck, he's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddy's he know he won't have it. He knows he's so fast and he's loose. He's so mad he's loose. It's found in the music. The moment you own it, you will never let go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow.
Fill him with the venom and eliminate him. All the words I'm hitting, I don't wanna hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage. I'm murdering, get nobody will admit it. Kill him, dump with the fucking bodies and nothing obliterating everything incinerator. And get him and make anybody who wanna put the pin in for you. Nobody wanna, but they're gonna get it anyway.
Hi, my